Hello everyone, it's Patty. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'll be sharing with you my second holiday setup. Now last week I'll share with you my pastel holiday setup, and this is mostly for keeping track of gift givings, things to do during the holidays, etc. Now this setup instead is for my daily setup, and it is a black and white buffalo check themed setup using this beautiful B6 traveler notebook from ThePlannerSociety, and I've had this for a while. I love Christie's planners. They're super easy to set up and they're the perfect size, and this is actually an extra wide B60N. And then the kit that I have used to set it up is from Vanessa, HelloPetitePaper Co., who I absolutely love, and she makes gorgeous stickers and she also makes beautiful cards, journaling cards and kits. I wish she had them more often because I just love her kits. But so when I saw that kit, I knew that this had to be my daily planner basically. So the planner itself does not come with this little door. This is actually an ornament that I got from Target. I think it was the dollar spot. And I just did a little bit of surgery on it. So basically I took off the little bow, was a red bow that was on top. There were also a little piece of metal here that you could hang on a tree, so I removed that. And I just used this buffalo check little bow that came in a card from Hallmark. So I just replaced it right there. And I think it's adorable. Now clearly if you are, you have to be careful around it because it has been attached with this super strong double-sided tape that I get from Amazon, so it's nice and sturdy, like you can't remove it. But then when you open it up and you want to write on the side, clearly you're gonna, there's little bells here, so you have to be a little extra careful. But I love the effect, so I don't mind the little bit extra work. So let's look at the inside. And again, the planner from Christie has this beautiful kind of cream background with the little black bows. Here are some of the stickers that came. Actually, this was the kit that Vanessa had, and I'm going to be sharing them on Instagram as well because they're just beautiful. Now they look kind of blue in this light, so I am not sure why. The black is black, but under the light they kind of look blue, but they're not blue. And then here I have a little book clip from Kandcoxoxo. I made a little washi card using this thick plastic that I have, and this is the washi tape that I have used for the washi dashboard. The little bow is from Hobby Lobby. And then here is the first dashboard, which is a vellum from Happiescrappie. This is one from one of Sam's older boxes, and it has these beautiful bows, all different types of bows on it, which are in silver foiling. Now there's a little bit of a mix of gold and silver in this setup. I actually don't mind. The journaling cards that come in the kit have beautiful gold foiling on them, but to me the vibe of the black and white, I don't know, just worked better with the silver, and so I stuck to silver, and there's just a little bit of gold interspersed, but I don't mind. Now here on top of the vellum, I have used this printable bow from ThePlannerSociety. This is from Christie's Etsy shop. She has printables that, this is actually from last year's kit, and so I had printed it out last year, and I still had it, so I put it on 3D dots, and then I put it on top of this little wreath from Target. And then I have taken apart these little charms that came in another PlannerSociety box, and there was a little charm something, and I just taken the charms off and I just attach them there. Now they're moving, there we go, they're moving around, but I just wanted to bring in a little bit of the pink on this side. The wreath by itself was a little lonely, it was just a little sad. And then here is the first real dashboard, which I absolutely love. So the paper that came in the kit is double-sided, and it is this very like smooth, soft, it feels like it's not laminated, but that feeling is, so it's not flat. I can't think of the right word, but it's basically very smooth, very shiny kind of feel paper. And on one side we have this pattern, which is a soft pink background with this white and buffalo check, pink and buffalo check bows, which is stunning. And then the kit also came with smaller pieces of this paper, double-sided, that I have used as a background here. Then I have some glitter paper from Hobby Lobby, and then one of the journaling cards, which I love. Now Vanessa says she was inspired by my 3-tier coffee station that I have with the buffalo check theme, and so she created this beautiful 3-tiered little tray, and I just wish I had this in my home because this is so much more beautiful than the one that I have. And as you can tell, there's all the beautiful gold foiling little stars all over it, which are so festive, and they're super sweet. And then here always eyelets, which I have in silver. Then the little bow from Hobby Lobby, and as always, glitter edgers from Christy, the Planner Society, because I can't basically plan a planner without them. Now on the inside, as I said, this was the back of the main paper, and one of the papers that came with the kit. I just left it as is because it's this gorgeous, kind of plaid with these floral, little flowers there. And then the kit came also with an insert. So this insert I trimmed down because I thought it was not going to work in my size, and I trimmed it down too much, so I kind of ruined it. But so be careful when you trim it. The height is actually fine, but I trimmed too much around the edges. But the cover is fabulous. It has this pink background, all these cute things for Christmas: bows, houses, trees, stars, mugs. And then this was one of the die cuts that came with the kit. There are 3 bows, and I put them on 3D dots, and it's just left it as is. So I still need to decorate it, but it's just adorable. And now on the back of the dashboard, now you can see a little better the beautiful paper. I just love this paper so much. And all I did is add a little pocket from the Planner Society. Then this little card came with the little kit, and it has there we go, Vanessa's information, HelloPetitePaper.com. Then I have some little stickers from the Planner Society. I have this little black and buffalo check bow that I have forever, little bow from Hobby Lobby. And then this is the die cut. Basically it's the same die cut that was here on the journaling card, and I just loved it too much, so I wanted to use it again. Then I have the back of the vellum from Happiescrappie, and this is a word that I found at Target. I think it was at Target. Yes, it is at Target. So this is kind of like a wooden word, but it's unfinished wood, and I just love it. It says hope. And then I have my washi dashboard, which I always love to do, and I love the selection. I wanted to mix in a little bit of the buffalo check, soften it with some pink, and then I wanted to bring in the snow effect with this glitter washi, which I had forever and ever. I think I bought it from Michael's, but I am honestly not that sure. And then I have a little bow here from Simply Gilded, but basically, actually, I can probably kind of take the washi and show you so it's easier. There you go. So this is the washi I use. So we have a Simply Gilded washi, Simply Gilded washi, Planner Society washi, Simply Gilded mystery washi, and then Simply Gilded, and I don't know about this one either. It could have been Simply Gilded, an old one, or I am not sure, but I just love the silver with the stars. It's just adorable. And then here's my second dashboard. Now this is a different paper. Let me see if I can show it so you can see it better here. But basically the second sheet of this paper that came in the kit has this wood grain, this design with a little snow on it. And I have used another one of the smaller sheets of paper that Vanessa also included in the kit to use the same background. It's the same basically plaid paper with giant snowflakes on it. And then again the glitter paper, the journaling card, which is adorable. Again, this is the same design with the wood, a bow in the middle, but the bow was just the black and white bow, but I wanted to bring in the pink, and so I have used this die cut that came in the kit, and I doubled I used basically a ton of the 3D dots. I kind of doubled them up so that it would be raised up, because I kind of like the effect of being 3D right there. And then another bow there, because you can't go wrong with having 3 bows on a page. And then here again the glitter edgers on the side. And this is the back of the paper. Now I really struggle because I so loved this pattern so much. This is gorgeous. Has the black with all the goodies, the truck, the house, there's marshmallows, there's pine cones, there's trees, everything. So I really love this paper, but I kind of preferred it on the simpler, you know, background. Also, I thought that it would get lost if I had it covered up with the journaling card. And so when you open it here, you just get the full beauty of this paper, which is stunning. And what is this? It's a little piece of it's a plastic, but the second section, I guess the second insert, this is a meal planner from Annieplans printables, and these are so useful. I just love these every month because I just, you know, I have to have a plan for what I eat or there'll be nothing ready for dinner. So I just kind of have like to see ahead of time what I'm going to be making, and also you can kind of keep track on, you know, how long ago you made a meal. So you don't want to give them, I don't know, lasagna or whatever you're cooking, you know, every week. So in order to make sure that I'm spacing it out, I kind of need to go back and see when was the last time I made that. And then here is the back. Oh, this is coming off, but this is the back of the dashboard, and this is sticky notes from the PlannerSociety. They have attached using some little glue dots, but clearly they need to be stronger because they're coming off. This is a beautiful little snow globe from the kit. The word joy is from Target again, and here is the back of the Washi dashboard. Then I have this acetate, the vellum. It's actually not acetate, it's a vellum. It's a vellum that is beautifully embossed with this silver, or, you know, kind of holographic dots all over the place. This is from Michaels, and my initial letter is also from Michaels. And this is the last insert, which is just a blank insert, and this is where I used that paper that I love so much. So you can see how it kind of gets lost in the background there, so it's kind of sad. But I wanted to bring back the black from the word winter, pick it up in the back, and so that's why I used the little adorable basket with the little pillows. Is made of some sort of rattan, and the color of it is kind of being brought up by the wood here in this sheet of paper back here. So, you know, I kind of like to balance it out. The pink goes with the pink bows. So I just love it. And how adorable is this card? It says hello winter, and the foiling, I mean, it's just fantastic. So just love it. And the rest is the same eyelets, same, I'm sorry, there's a little piece of something there. It's driving me nuts. But the same bow from Hobby Lobby, eyelets, glitter from Hobby Lobby, and the glitter edges from the PlannerSociety. And by the way, my nails are also from Christy. She sells them under you know, on her account. It's a Red Aspen. I can't remember what is it called. I think it's called Red Aspen. I should have a box somewhere around here. But I love her nails. So these are so easy. They go on. They just glue down. And this is just you know, an easy little what is it called, insert with just lines. This is from the planner, from a Simply Gilded. I just ripped out the front cover, and I love this paper. It's just so adorable. And this, you can tell better how beautiful that pattern is that I was telling you about. And so I just didn't want to spoil it. I didn't want to cover it up, and so I just put the word believe, always from Target. And then here's the back of the vellum with the little truck from the kit from Vanessa, which is an adorable truck, because I really love the little winter trucks, but sometimes, most of the time, they're kind of manly. And this is such a feminine, you know, girly little truck with the bows on it, and super cute. Then here I added this little pouch from Simply Gilded, which I have just attached like this. With an elastic. I usually do that when I want to transfer from one place to the next. Alternatively, I would have made a hole here and then put some elastic, which I've done in the past. But in this case, because I like to keep him and I don't want to, you know, just have him for one setup, I don't want to ruin him, so I just left it like that. And then here in the back I have this card also from Vanessa, and it says, you know, thank you, this is what you basically get when you place your order. And how stunning is that? So this is the setup, guys, and it's super quick. This is going to be my daily setup. Now I have to go back and plan my pages. I think I will, I'm gonna have everything linked down below in the comments. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on Instagram at PlanningFancy, as I always answer all DMs. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. I would love to have you, and I hope you have a wonderful, wonderful holiday season. Bye bye.